For most people, Samuel Henderson looks just like a typical 11-year-old boy. But if you close your eyes and listen, you might mistake him for a bird. It all began 7 years ago during a trip to the Oklahoma City Zoo when his family encountered a noisy bird on a trash can.
So when I was 4 and I was at my local zoo, and there was this gray-tailed grackle on this trash can, and I started mimicking it. Then I went like, hey, I think I can make other ones. So I started making a bunch of other ones.
Fast forward to today, and Sam has a repertoire of over 60 distinct bird calls. To test Samuel's accuracy, we joined Mark Howery, a wildlife biologist with the Oklahoma Department of Wildlife Conservation. Mark has spent decades studying wildlife and admits that Samuel has mastered the one skill that eludes even the most experienced birders.
Yes, it is not. It is just like that. It's like a robin, but it's harsher.
But the robin's like this. The summer tanner is a little bit more messy.
Yes.
And then the robin is a little more beautiful.
Yes. But Samuel did an excellent robin and an excellent summer tanager. And those are hard. Those are very hard. That does look more like a white-winged dove than the other one. That's excellent.
Here's for my morning though. And here's some I think more Eurasian collared dove. Like I mostly hear them when they fly. Hear it when they're flying. And I also call them my angry dove sound when I'm angry at my mom.
Oh, that's an excellent job. Because that's the sound when you see them flying around on town, like they're flying up onto a power line or onto a stoplight. That's the kind of call they make.
Yeah, I usually see them fly up on power poles and they make that sound.
Yes, I started around 5th grade, so it was around 9 or 10 years old. Though I'd have never learned the bird calls like Sam has. Samuel has learned a tremendous number of bird calls. I really was all about the appearance of birds for the first 10 years or so. And then about the time I got into college, I started learning the bird songs. And kind of pick those up gradually, because to me the bird songs are the hard part, just identifying them, learning to recognize them, and then I can't even imagine trying to imitate them.
Samuel's passion is a family affair. With the support of his mother, Lori, he has taken his talent from local parks to national stages, like the Jennifer Hudson Show and CBS Evening News. Probably his biggest moment was surprising his classmates during the school talent show.
This is a great-tailed grackle.
But for Samuel's mom, it's about more than the attention. It's about nurturing a unique gift.
This all started when he was probably about 4 years old. Local trips to the zoo.
Casey.
Yeah, Oklahoma City Zoo. Imitating birds, realized they talk back to him, and it's just blossomed from there. We watch videos together. We go birding together. We try to find local going-ons, bird watching, eagle events. We had falconry events. So just nurturing however he can and getting his skills better. He loves to do it. He loves to share it.
Back in the field, Samuel's skills are a tool for discovery. Whether he is spotting a rare bird or mimicking a wren, his voice allows him to interact with nature in a way few people can.
What I was doing was imitating a wren. I can't do a blue-gray gnatcatcher call at all, but I was imitating the scolding of a wren. And then the gnatcatchers thought that a wren had seen a predator. So they're coming in to find out where that predator is so they can avoid it.
Wait, can you do that call again?
I can try.
He's I think I know why they nest near water.
He's got a pair of binoculars. He knows his birds. And for anyone that's starting out in birds, I always say, get a field guide or two that you like to help you identify the birds you're seeing.
I got a bunch of field guys.
You have a bunch of, how many do you have?
I had no idea. But I get a few of them though.
I think I have 7 or 8.
That's probably about how much I have.
You don't even have to have 7 or 8. Just 1 or 2 good field guides. There's so much competition between the field guides that they're really all good. There's not a bad field guide out there for birds. And so, field guide, binoculars, and just practice watching birds. A lot of people start watching birds at a backyard bird feeder. That's how a lot of people get started. And that's the way I was. The first probably 5 years that I watched birds, it was just winter birds at the backyard feeder.
For Samuel, this isn't just a party trick. It is a way to connect with the world and inspire others to look up and listen. His hope is simple. By sharing his voice, he can help others find their own love for nature.
I want people to like birds, and I want to have more friends that like birds.